Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be preparing lemon, tarragon, rainbow trout fillets. For this recipe, you're going to be needing salt, pepper, allspice, 3 lemons, of which 2 of them have been sliced, a bunch of tarragon, 2 bay leaves, the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon and a half of paprika. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle the fillet with some oil, and then we're going to add the salt. I've already added the black pepper. We're going to add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt per fillet. And then we're going to go ahead and add the lemon juice and the paprika and the allspice. We're going to repeat this for all of the fillets, and we're also going to line the fillets with the tarragon and the lemon. And then we're going to put another fillet right on top of it after we're done with this one. At this point, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This next step is optional. I have diluted tomato paste with some water, lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. I'm pouring just enough liquid to cover the edges of the fish. I have also thrown in the bay leaves in there, and if you'd like to skip out on the tomato paste, go ahead and just do water instead. After this, you're going to go ahead and cover the dish with foil, and once your liquid starts to simmer, you want to time it for 15 minutes. From that point on, your fish will be done 15 minutes later. After 20 minutes of baking, our fillets are ready. The smell is amazing, the taste is even better. This meal comes together so easily. It's great for any night of the week. It's healthy, wonderful. You guys give it a try. Comment down below if you do. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care.